You know who's doing it good though? This nigga,
Hey, Brody.
360 Jeezy, bro.
He's watching right now. Yeah,
360 Jeezy. Hey,
Jeezy's making like 10
that
stacks a
nigga,
month, but he ain't telling nobody.
hey, look, that nigga's a celebrity.
he's
He's getting money. He's doing it the
yeah, he's
right
making
way.
like
He's doing it the right way.
he's making more money than anybody right now in the game. I mean, I go on Social Blade. I know what he's making. He's making racks, bro. But and I told him like, why do you
He's
even
doing
cut
it
hair
right.
still? You don't need to cut hair no more. But and it's funny, like I say people like I mention people like, yo, 360 Jeezy's really doing it, and people are like, who the fuck is that? I'm like, yo, how do you not know?
And bro, and that goes back to my point. Like this nigga should be getting booked for shows on teaching people how to market and brand themselves and how to creating a bigger network. But niggas ain't booking 360 Jeezy to come out. They care about a motherfucker that can
Oh,
get
I
50,000
am.
likes on a haircut post. You know what I'm
Believe me,
saying?
we'll be at Barbercom. We're trying to work that out now. But
Yeah, man. The dude's
I
doing it
spoke to
right,
him.
man. You know, I'm upset because his waves are better than mine. I don't like that shit, but you know, he's doing good. He's doing
Yeah, I'm upset because he's making all that money on YouTube, and Instagram don't pay me shit.